Audio Jungle.
Sawadee. Hey guys, I want us to look at these 20 basic expressions real quick. We are going to be extremely fast. So if you're watching us for the first time, you are at the right place. You are at the right place. So please consider liking, subscribing to join this amazing family. Here we share detailedly the basic insights of English language that you need to communicate in real life. Stay connected till the end of this video. See you. Okay, today we are going to be teaching together. I'm going to give the pronunciation of this expression. Looking at the screen, you translate and give your comments at the comment section below. So today I'll pronounce in English and you see on the screen and write your comment at the comment section below. So let's get started. I'm hungry. I found it. Believe me, it's true. It's true. I hope so. Do you hope so? I hope so. I hope you hope so. I feel much better now. Yesterday I was very sick, but today I feel much better. I love you so much. I love you so much. Do you love me too? I love you so much. I don't like it. Please don't do it. I don't like it. Don't do it again. Please. I noticed that you are sick. I noticed that you are hungry. I noticed that you are not writing, and I noticed that you are not commenting. I don't think so. I don't think so. I hate you. Remember, give your translation below. I need your translation below. We are teaching together today. I don't have time. Sorry, maybe tomorrow. I don't have time today. Have you finished? Yet? If you are finished, please comment below. Have you finished? Okay, if you are finished translating, leave your comments at the comment section. I think so. Too. Do you think so? Yeah, I think so. I see. Oh, I see. How much is your watch? Oh, your phone is beautiful. How much did you buy it? Your phone is so cute. How much did you buy it? I can do it. I'm very fit to do it, so I can do it. I won and you lose. I won and you lose. You lose and I won. I'm leaving. I'm not happy today. You are very annoying, so I'm leaving. I'm not happy. You are very annoying, so I'm leaving. Have a good trip. Drive safely and have a good trip. Please give me a hand. Okay, this is where we are going to end for today. Remember to like, subscribe and comment below แล้วได้เจอกันอีกรอบหนึ่งคลิปหน้านะครับสวัสดีครับ